We will learn about how to handle the string, especially when it is in the columns of a pandas data set. So here what we'll do, we'll create the three strings and we'll import pandas library and we'll import three strings, create three strings, and then we'll create a data set df is equals to pd.DataFrame, and then we'll add the three columns, column 1 which is equals to string names df, column 2 which is equals to string names 1, and df column 3 which is string 1. We'll simply execute this and our pandas dataset will be created. If you give view this df, we have this column. Now if you want to apply several different functions of this pandas specifically designed for string, so we'll apply one by one. We'll take the first column df, column 1 will apply, which is number 1 is, will apply lowercase. We have to give the st string, we are converting to string, and then we'll apply lower. So you can see here everything, like here the name, everything is in caps, but here everything is converted into small. Now task number 2 is, what we'll do, we'll apply upper. Then simply we give df column 1, not column 2, because everything is in small letters in column 2, which is column 2 dot str string dot. So you can see here everything is in small letter, but here in this, after the transformation, it is converted to small, but it will not be safe. We have to do that if you want to save by giving in place and all, which I have already given. In place is equals to true, which I have already explained in the previous sessions. Now if we want to apply something like capitalize, what it will do, specifically what this capitalized will do. Okay, df column 1 dot str dot okay, so it's only like converting the first, everything will be in small letter except the first letter. So we'll apply the same thing on the second column. Okay, so you can see here everything is is in small letter except the first letter. What will happen if you apply the title? Let's see. df you can see the, for every word the first letter is converted. Okay, so we'll similarly apply this title to column 2. Okay, so this is converted to like every letter of the every word, in every word the first letter is converted from lower to upper, and since upper it will remain the same. Now what will happen if you apply the split? When we apply split, it is converted, like each word is become a member of a list. Number 6. Now number 6 is like, we'll check which other letter that ends up with a certain values. Like we'll give ends with. Okay. So this is the column 1. So ends with will give an. Okay, because Narayan and Khan both ends with an. So let's see what will be the value if we will give an. Okay, so the first letter, the first and the last value is ends with an, the Narayan and Khan. So that's why it gives true, false, 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 and true. Now similar thing if we apply on the second column. See, because this is Rashid Khan, KHN again, that's why the last letter, the last two letter of the words of this last word is an, that's why it's throwing true here. The rest everything is false. 7. Now what we'll do, we'll find the certain strings presents. Okay, so that we'll use find for that. And suppose in column 1 we'll find for DAR, like if you see. Okay, in column 2 we'll search for this DAR, because in column 2 we have this name there, right? So we'll check. So nothing is there because okay, now okay, it's not ends with. Okay, it should be find here. Okay, so you see it is throwing the position in which NDAR is there. So this, if you take consider this 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. These start at the 9th position. That's why it's throwing the position, the value of that position. Now, if you want to check whether this column is alphabetic or alphanumeric, is so we'll give simply okay. Everything is like is not satisfying. Is alpha okay? What we'll do is alphanumeric. Okay, for this, because we don't alphanumeric, because we don't have any number. For this, what we'll do, we'll apply this on the 3rd column. So the first, what is our DF? So this is how, like for 100 it is coming, for boolean it is throwing the value, but this it is not recognizing these values. Okay, that's how we'll this is how we will use the different functions and different functions especially related to strings, and it will definitely play a big role in the pre-processing step. So thanks a lot for watching this session. If you feel this video is helpful, please uh, press the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.